can spread very quickly and expand further. This is the main reason for the spread of large fires, because no one extinguishes it in its early stages.
Devastation strikes the University campus tonight as fire breaks through a small two-bedroom home located just outside of campus. Inside the burning home is a university student who is now in prison with bitter regret.
Open your eyes if you can hear me. You're in the hospital. Zach, can you hear me? You're in the hospital. Zach, open your eyes if you can hear me.
The fire comes suddenly and spreads very quickly, so you have to be prepared for this moment by acquiring Tornadoo. Perhaps its price is low today, but when you need it, it will be priceless.
Attention. Another death case due to fire.
The World Health Organization, WHO, has detected about 195,000 deaths from fires around the world every year. Here and now, we have the solution. And in our hands a product named Tornadoo, capable of reducing this number to more than 70%. We assure you that our goal of this product is not to make profits, but protection from human and material losses, as well as the loss of time and effort in extinguishing fires, and also preserve the environment. Our products are also suitable for use for 3 years. Our products are
YGP Z Fire Extinguisher for Kitchen. FP H06 Fire Extinguisher with Water Technology. MPZ H1 Fire Extinguisher with Water Technology. MPZ H4 Fire Extinguisher with Water Technology.
Our products rely on effective firefighting technology. They are environmentally friendly technologies. Tornadoo's idea is to produce carbon dioxide and separate the oxygen from the fire, which can extinguish the fire as quickly as possible. We use advanced techniques in water production. Chemical components are environmentally friendly, do not contain any toxic or polluting materials. Our products do not harm human health, animal or environmental. Cleaning is easy after extinguishing the fire. Safety features according to different firefighting needs. Our firefighting products automatically do not need to interfere. The product is thrown on the fire from a distance, which provides protection to the user. The difference between Tornadoo and traditional fire extinguisher.
Yes, but cannot be compared to traditional fire extinguishers with Tornadoo.
Okay, Tell me what you know.
The price is less than half. Does not need any training. No annual maintenance is required. No need to refill. Faster in firefighting times. Easier to use than traditional extinguisher. They can be installed in fire-prone places to operate automatically unlike conventional ones. Water performance is more stable and more efficient than the performance of dry powder. Can be used to secure the exit for people trapped in fires.
Sorry, I forgot. Do you have one?
Yes, of course. In my house, my work, and my car. Thank you.